Good morning, students. Myself Ajay Shukla. Now, once again, I am going to start your first lesson, The Portrait of a Lady by Kuswansi. Into the previous video, I have given to you the summary of the lesson and about the author. Now, today I am going to teach you the question of explanation. You should know that at 10th level, you have done into the Hindi subject Vyakhya, and the same way in first year and 12th level you will have to do the explanation in English. This is the passage from your first lesson, The Portrait of a Lady. This passage, first of all, you should read it properly. Then the first heading, which is the reference. Reference means sandarbh. Into English, you will write your reference as these important and heart-touching lines have been taken from the lesson name, The Portrait of a Lady, written by Kuswansi. And after that, you will write something about the author, if you have the matter related with the author. The heading of reference will be completed in this way, and after that, the second heading of context. Context. In Hindi, we call it prasang. Context is a very important part of explanation, and it will be changed according to the passage. We have to write into this heading the substance of the passage. For example, into this passage you can see she had always been short and fat and slightly bent. Her face was crisscrossed of wrinkles running from everywhere to everywhere. No, we were certain she had always been, as we had known her, old, so terribly old that she could not have been grown older and had stayed at the same age for 20 years. Now, if you want to write the context of this passage, you may write that into this passage the writer has painted a beautiful picture of his grandmother, and no doubt there is good feelings has been used properly for the picturization of the grandmother. Her face and figure was totally impressive. You can see the respect and humble behavior, humble words into the expression of these lines. Such type of matter will be written into this heading, and then comes the heading of explanation. Explanation in Hindi, explanation means vyakhya. Into explanation, now this time you can write that the writer was totally meek to express the feelings for his grandmother. His grandmother was in short and fat. Her figure was a little stoop. Bent means stoop, to come down. And her face was also full of linings. Wrinkles could also be seen over her face. At everywhere, to everywhere. It means overall on the face, the linings could be seen. But no doubt she was very impressive. And after that, the fourth heading will be the footnote or salient feature. In Hindi, it is called the Kavya Saundarya. Here you will write about the language, about the style, about the figure of speech, about the words and phrases. I will provide you notes about this explanation and other exercises also.